Hello students, today we will be starting the next topic, that is potential and potential difference. So let's start. From this diagram that I have drawn here, what is there? A positively charged body is taken, okay, and a test charge is taken. A positive test charge. A positive test charge, that is positively charged, okay, but that value of charge is very small. So a charge having very smaller value is called as the test charge. Now we know that for the movement of any body, what is need to be done? We have to apply some force, okay, then only a body can move and do some displacement. So in this case, what we want to do, we want to move this positive test charge from infinity. From infinity means a charge, this charge is at a very large distance from this positively charged body, because this positively charged body will create a field here and this test charge is very far away from this field. That is because of this positively charged body. So we are saying it that the test charge Q is at infinity, a very large distance, so that it do not experience any force because of this charged body. So now in this case, if we want to move this Q charge to point P, we need to apply some force. And because of the force, there will be some displacement in the direction of force. And if force is there, displacement is there, that means some work is being done on this test charge to move it from infinity to point P. Okay, this point P, we are supposing that we have to move this Q charge to point P. So the electric potential at point P is given as the work done in moving this positive test charge from infinity to point P per unit charge. Per unit charge means the amount of charge. This becomes the potential at point P. Okay. Now from this formula we can easily tell that work done, that is measured in joule, and charge, that is measured in coulombs. This is also called as volt, represented by capital V. Okay children. Now suppose for the same condition a positively charged body was there, and now the test charge, positive test charge Q, has to be moved between these 2 points. Suppose A and B. Okay, this charge has to be moved to A and then to B. In that case, obviously again some force has to be applied on it, and because of the application of force, some displacement will be there. That means force into displacement, that means some work will be done on this test charge in order to move it from infinity to point B and to point A. Obviously this distance is much more, therefore work done for moving this test charge to here will be greater. So I am writing here, I am only taking this condition, moving this test charge to point A can be written as the electric potential at point A minus the work done in moving the positive test charge to point B. At this point B, what will be the electric potential? It will be represented by VB. That will be given by the work done on the test charge divided by the amount of test charge. So again you can tell here that the difference between the electric potential of VA and VB will be equal to what? Will be equal to the work done on the test charge moving it from infinity to point A and B will be given by W upon Q. In this case also you can, yes, first of all this VA minus VB is called as the potential difference. Obviously this point it was having some potential, at this point it was having some potential. So the difference of these two potentials will be represented by the work done per unit charge. Again about the SI unit, work done, it is measured in joules, and charge, that is measured in coulomb, that is your volt. The same unit as that of potential. Okay. Sometimes in the question paper it is asked to define 1 volt. Okay. Then in that case 1 volt will be what? When 1 joule of work is done to move 1 coulomb of charge. That will give you the potential difference of 1 volt. Okay. Just like we have studied that for the measurement of current in any circuit, ammeter is used. In the 9th class we have already studied this point, that a device that is voltmeter, that is always connected in parallel. That we will study later on this in chapter, that what is meant by parallel combination. This voltmeter is a device to measure the potential difference between any 2 points in any circuit.